Okay, so how to get a perfect elastic band? I'll be using this 1/2 inch of elastic for it. So the first thing I have to do, I'll sew the trouser. Okay, so this is big palazzo trouser. So I'll just measure my waist round. I'll just measure it round to whatever thing I have here. I'll use it to get my waist, my band. Okay, whatever thing I have, I'll use it to get my waist. So here I have 51. So I'll use this now to measure out the band. So at this band now I have 52. So I will go ahead and I have 2.05, okay, when folded. So I'll go ahead now to join this. I'll go ahead to join it together. Okay, so I've joined it together. So I folded it back. Okay, so we have it just round now. So I'll go ahead to iron it out. So I can be able to get my midpoint. So I haven't done this now. I have this now as my midpoint. So when I'm attaching it, I'll make sure that this point now is at the center, while this joint part will be at the center back. So next thing I will do is to go ahead to make my point. Okay, I'll go ahead to, because I'll be adding a drawstring to it. Okay, I'll be adding a rope to it. So because of that, I'm going to be marking, I'm going to divide this by 3. I will use 1/2 inch for the joining of the waist. I will use 1/2 inch to join it at the waist. Okay, I'll use 1/2 inch to join it at the waist. Then I will sew another 1/2 inch where I'll be inserting my elastic. Then okay, then I will sew another 1/2 inch here. Okay, so I'll be stitching here and here, then here. Okay, then which our center part will be where the string will enter. I'll also insert an elastic there too. So coming to this center part now, I'm going to measure 1 inch at both sides. Okay, at the midpoint I will measure 1 inch at both sides, here and here. Okay, so you can use your eyelet to perforate it, or you can do a buttonhole here. Okay, so that you can be able to open it and insert your drawstring to the place. Okay, so I'll just go to my machine now. I'll run a stitch. I'll run a stitch at this line, at this line. Of each of the line, I'll make sure that I leave open. Okay, where I'll follow to insert my elastic. All right. Okay, so I've run a stitch around it. Okay, so I left here open. I left this place open, as you can see. So this will be the place that I will follow to insert my 3 elastic. And I also open the center part. Okay, I've also opened these 2 places where I'll be putting my, where I'll insert my rope from. So I'll just go ahead now to insert my first elastic. So I'll follow here. I won't start from the one down, I will start from the one that is at the top. Okay, okay, I finished inserting my elastic. Okay, this is for the third line. Just make sure that it will enter the person's waist. Okay, this is it. So I'll just go ahead now to close it out as I did for the rest. I'll just stitch the two, and I'll go ahead to top stitch again. All right, okay, so that is it, and I'll go ahead to close up the lines that I left open that helped us to insert the elastic inside. Okay, so I'll finish my elastic. So I'll go ahead now to insert the drawstring. I'll just put my I'll look for the opening that I made here. I'm going to put it from here now. I'm going to push it in and insert it. Okay. Okay. So this is how I'm going to be pushing it until I come out to the other end. Okay. Just so simple. As you're pushing it, the rope will be going inside. Okay, so I've inserted it. So what I will do now is to hold the midpoint. Okay, we're going to hold the midpoint to the waist, to the center front, and the midpoint of the back to the center back. So when I'm sewing, I'll be dragging it, okay, round. This side, I will drag it to this side, and I'll sew it to meet the midpoint of the back. Okay, so thank you for watching to the end. Till we meet in my next class. Love you all. Bye. So this is the outcome of our elastic. This is our rope.